The parish of Headford and Clarren combines the ancient parishes of Kilursa, Killini and Killowr and dates back to the 6th century and the time of St. Fursa, patron saint of the parish. The spiritual needs of the people was fulfilled through the centuries by many churches located around the parish. The church at St. Mary's in Headford was built in 1865 by Father Peter Conway, a native of Westport, County Mayo. Father Conway, described by the English writer Thackeray as a lively, well-educated young man, made it his mission in life to care for and minister to the poor, as well as to provide them with a comfortable place of worship. He was a prolific builder, not just of churches, but also presbyteries and schools. Almost the entire cost of the building of St. Mary's in Headford was collected from Irish-American benefactors following several fundraising trips to America by Father Conway. An amazing feat given that the American Civil War was waging in that country at the time. Their generosity has never been forgotten. The full history of the parish is wonderfully collated in a book entitled A Journey of Hope, published in 2015 to mark the 150th anniversary of St. Mary's Church in Headford. St. Mary's Church is a very important part of the local community, both as an historic building renowned for its wondrous architecture and as a focal point of the Catholic faith. The church's straightforward design belies the aesthetic beauty of the interior, especially the altar, which is accentuated by the ornate stained glass windows. Like all old buildings, it requires constant care and maintenance. Various minor works have been completed over the years, but the most urgent requirement is to improve the heating and insulation of the church. The result of this major piece of work will be to make the church much warmer, greatly improving the level of comfort for churchgoers while also saving on the heating bill. This will involve a number of different projects, the most urgent of which is the roof, part of which has fallen down in recent times. The parish has been quietly raising funds for the church restoration through offertory collections and various fundraising activities, such as the calendar and the Triduum Mass cards. However, moving forward with this project will require much additional funds, and a fundraising committee has been formed, made up of members of the Pastoral Council and the Finance Committee. They are currently engaged in finalising a project plan, including estimates of costings for all the works involved, while in parallel organising a major fundraising effort. You can find out more about the church and its history, get involved in our fundraising activities, or make a private donation to our Church Restoration Fund by visiting our website, headfordchurch.com. The fundraising committee would like to thank you for your support.